So today I'm going to show how the Capcut looks in phone and desktop. So here is the phone's app Capcut. That here is the timeline and here is the text that you can add the text here and put a text here. Finally, here it is. And here is the overlay that you can put the and here is the audio option. Can extract the audio and here is the effects, that video effects and so on are there in this mobile app. You should download the APK file to this for the mobile phone. You cannot download from the apps like Play Store and Apple Store or anything, cannot download from that in India. So now in the desktop software you can see this type of interface. So here is the media that you can import the file from this, that here. So you had import that file and you should just drag and drop here. It will automatically take it. That here is the timeline. So when you want to cut it, you should just press the B in the keyboard or select here. You should tap the key of B to select the split. Now you can split here and now you can select it to a overlay also. Now when you want to put the text, you should just drag and drop here, that you can write anything here. So it will show here, that you can see. Here you can change the color and here is the text effects. And here also you should connect the VPN and the stickers. You can adjust the preview by tapping it and drag here, and this also. Can adjust this like this. It can be floating window. And you can minimize the preview also. and here is the stickers that you can put here, and here is the audios that will come up and down. See, you can also adjust this also. And I am still a beginner, that I know in the phone that you can see my every video was edited by the phone. Now I am learning the software of the Capcut in the monitor, and here you can adjust this also. See, you can drag this also. See, the both will become floating windows. See, you just need to tap the mouse and drag it. That's all. You can see the full view of the stickers, and here my network is slow, so it is showing no internet connection. So you can put here by adjusting it. So it will automatically adjust it. So see, you can see the movement of this. And here effects that you should just need to drag and drop here. That's all. You can get that effect. The network is slow, so it is not downloading. See, here is the caption and the filters and adjustments and templates and AI avatars. So I am saying again, I am not a professional editor. Now I am learning it. So here you can generate any video by giving a prompt. So you can just get it. So this was the interface in the mobile phone and monitor. So this was my experience, what I had learned. So take care and bye bye.